Hello, welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video. May is upon us. No Mow May. What's that about? Should you bother with it? Who does it benefit? Is it worth it? Give it a go, or just write it off as a bit of a tree-hugging hippie nonsense? Let's delve into that in more depth, shall we? So, No Mow May, something that sort of came up recently as a way of increasing the food supply for our pollinators. Bees, hoverflies, wasps, other flies, butterflies, moths, all that sort of insecty nonsense. If you have a lawn that is full of interesting broad-leaved plants, daisies, dandelions, clovers, black medic, buttercups, basically anything that produces a flower, then I would say, yeah, go for it. Because you've got a lot of interesting stuff in your, and I use the word lawn loosely, that's going to benefit these pollinators that they're all raving about. If, however, your lawn is a green monocrop that's been mown and fed, had lots of inputs put into it, moss killers and weed and feed and all this sort of thing, then no, don't bother with No Mow May, because your lawn, which is what you do have, if that's what it consists of, will look shoddy, dreadful, awful. I just, no, don't do No Mow May. If you have a super duper, the classic ideal of a lawn, a square with stripes running up and down it. Hey, each to their own. If that's what makes you happy, crack on, go for it. No Mow May. It is a great idea. And again, for those of us who do have an interesting array of native wildflowers, they're not weeds, they're broad-leaved flowers or plants, and they're there for a purpose. And the purpose is to boost the nectar supply to insects. So the more of us that can even just for that 1 month of May, just allow things to grow and allow things to flower, it'd be so much nicer. Do it if you've got lots of broadleaf weeds, broadleaf wildflowers, and don't do it if it's just grass, because it'll look shocking. Just put your feet up, take it easy. Send the mower in to be serviced for this month, because you're not going to need it, are you? Unless, of course, you've got a stripy lawn. Yeah, that's all I have to say on the subject of No Mow May. And to be honest, I'll probably edit out a lot of this because I said way too much about other things that bore no relation to the topic of the video. But I realise it's one of my failings, and I do tend to waffle and go off topic a lot. So apologies. Okay, so the light that is fixed to the top of the camera is really beginning to give me a bit of a headache. So I'm going to cut that off now. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you've liked it. Go out there, get grubby, or just go out there and relax. And see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.